We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting food and pastry names. How do you go about pronouncing this one? We're going to be looking at how to say it in French for reference, because this is a word of French origin, and then in English. In French it is said as flan, flan. In British English, flan. In American English, flan. Flan in French, flan in British English, or flan in American English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more food names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.